Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is shorten your testing cycles and get better results with virtualization testing. Our guest speaker today is Shweta Shivaram, Development Lead IBM Rational, Functional Tester IBM. Shweta Shivaram has been with IBM Rational for 5 years now, and her interests lie in the latest concepts in quality management space. As part of the development team, she has worked on globalization testing, translation testing and virtualization testing, in addition to user experience and UI design. In her previous roles, she has worked in multicultural environments and has first-hand experience related to culturally sensitive software. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Shweta. Shweta, you are not audible.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. If you could start from the first slide, Shweta.
Sure, I'll do that. Sorry about the glitch there. So let me start off. I'm Shweta Shivaram, like Sri Lagna explained earlier, and I'm going to speak to you today about how to accelerate your development and test life cycles using the concept of service virtualization. We'll start off first by defining the challenges that are being faced by teams currently in terms of development and quality management or testing. Then we'll talk about the concept of service virtualization or application virtualization and see how that fits into this picture. Then we will talk about the different systems or applications that you could possibly virtualize, and then we'll do a brief demo of a near real-world scenario system and see how to go about service virtualization on that system. So to quickly start off, let's just list down what are the different challenges that exist in today's software development lifecycle world and see what are those opportunities being presented because of those challenges. So one of the biggest challenges today is definitely quality because of complex test environments, inadequate testing on those environments. You see that defects are caught later in the cycle. They escape early testing, and there is a lot of inconsistency in the data that is used to test between pre-production environments and production environments. And of course, cost of labor is ever increasing. We being in the developing markets and the growth markets, inflation is a big worry, and because of which quality wages for quality management employees has been on the rise, which means that organizations that are looking to growth markets for quality management have to face that direct impact of the inflation and escalated labor costs. Associated with cost is also the fact that the later a defect is found in the application development lifecycle or software development lifecycle, the costlier it is to fix that defect, the costlier it is to maintain your project budgets and keep things in order. Another important aspect that a lot of projects do not realize many a time is the poor asset utilization. You hire quality management professionals, quality management executives, expecting that they would use their skills to the utmost advantage, but we'll see how a lot of these skills are not really tapped into and how we actually spend a lot of the quality management professionals' time in activities other than just quality management. And of course, time to market is crucial these days. We live in a mobile world. We need applications to work immediately. Things that don't work today, we want to fix in the next 5 minutes. And given all this, service virtualization, we'll see how this helps. Currently, we have projects and teams that struggle to cope with this constant delivery, continuous integration. Let's see how service virtualization helps here. So given all these challenges, the opportunities, of course, that exist are to start testing earlier, drive testing cycles from the beginning as soon as possible, as soon as development can start. Try to catch these defects early where they do not weigh down on the project's budget as much as they would if they were found later. Improve the asset utilization in both in terms of human resources as well as in terms of physical or infrastructure resources. Increase the flexibility and the availability of these resources. See how multiple teams can use assets simultaneously without being dependent on each other. And of course, as a result of all of this, see how we can bring down the time to market, increase the levels of testing, increase availability of resources, and thereby maintain the revenue streams of our products.